Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling blessed. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make my homemade beef soup recipe. This recipe is so simple, it's flavorful and packed with pure goodness. This is a perfect dish for any occasion, so if you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty ideas, and share with your families and friends. So to get this flavorful beef soup recipe started, I'm going to show you guys a list of all the ingredients which we're going to use. So the first ingredients which we're going to use to make our beef soup recipe is our chicken bouillon cube. I know it's a beef soup recipe, but the chicken bouillon cube is a must, guys, for this recipe, okay? Now we're going to add our fresh pumpkin, which is right there, 1 small onion, fresh carrot, next we're going to add our fresh thyme leaves, unsalted butter to add lots of flavor to this beef soup recipe. Now we are going to get our beef ready. So that's what the beef looks like. It's nice and clean, as you guys can see. We're going to add more flavor with our Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh red pepper or any pepper of your choice for this beef soup recipe, 1 small potato, fresh corn, and finally we are going to add about 5 pieces of yellow yam. So that's all the ingredients which we're going to use for this beef soup recipe. We're going to go off camera and wash all these ingredients, cut the beef into small bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to get our pot ready to boil our red peas. So after washing all the veggies, this is what it looks like. It's nice and clean. And this is our beef, guys. So it's cut into small bite-sized pieces. We're going to get a pot ready with hot boiling water. We're going to go ahead and wash our peas off camera, and then we're going to add our peas directly to the pot. We're going to cook the peas for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once our peas is nice and cooked, we're going to get ready to add our veggies to the pot. So we're going to add all of our veggies, which is our yam, potato, pumpkin, fresh thyme leaves, Once you add all the veggies into the pot, we're going to cook for 45 minutes. Now we're going to give that a very nice mix. And that's what the soup looks like so far, guys. We're going to add the yam into the pot. And this is what this flavorful beef soup looks like so far. It looks pretty good. As you guys can see, we're going to add some flavorful seasoning into the pot. So we're going to go in with some Jamaican noodles to add lots of flavor to this beef soup recipe. Give that a very nice mix. Now we are going to go in with our all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and fine sea salt to add more flavor to this beef soup recipe. Mix very well, guys, to make sure all ingredients are fully combined. Give it a very nice mix. Make sure all ingredients are combined. We're going to set this to cook for another 10 minutes. After simmering down for 10 minutes, this is what my homemade beef soup recipe looks like. It's flavorful, packed with pure goodness, and that's what it looks like, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this recipe. If you do, please like this video, subscribe for more tasty ideas, and share with your family and friends. And I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.